Hi and welcome to Ballet Be Fit. Today we're going to demonstrate 5 ballet arm positions and then put them into a sequence which is called a port de bras. This means carriage of the arms. We're going to start with the 5th position, which is the arms up over the head. And now we're going into the open 5th. And into the 2nd position, into the 3rd arabesque, and now the 4th arabesque. We're now going to put all this together and create the port de bras. Into the 5th, the open 5th, the 2nd, open 5th, the 5th, the open 5th again, the 2nd, into the 3rd arabesque, change over, into the 2nd, into the 4th arabesque and change over, into the 3rd arabesque, into the 5th, the open 5th again, and finish. So that's the port de bras completed. Thank you for joining us and check us out at balletbefit.co.uk for more exercises and workouts.